Hey guys, today I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the advanced duplicator tool. This tool is great for saving your bases, so you can just quick when you come online, you can just paste your base down, and eventually you'll have bases saved for many different locations throughout the map. Before we get into the advanced duplicator tool, in order to get this tool to work, and with multiple props, you need to know the weld tool. Now the weld tool, basically you have to left click one prop and left click another prop, and it binds these two together. So as you can see now, they are connected, they're welded per se. So what the advanced duplicator tool does is it duplicates everything, including what the prop is connected to. So now you can see if you right click with it, you have these three props right here. Since they're welded, they all get copied. So I can left click to paste copies of them. So that's the basics of it. Whenever you're building bases, you want to make sure that you weld everything. So you click on one prop, go to the next prop, next prop, next prop, and then it'll connect this one to this one, and this one to this one. And the watermelon and the bathtub will connect because they're connected centrally by this one right here. So once you have them all welded, you want to right click it to get them onto the clipboard basically. And then you want to go to the advanced duplicator folder, right click, press save, and I'm going to save this as bathtub couch watermelon. Ooh. Okay, and then just hit enter twice and that box should disappear, and then you will have it saved right there in your dupes. So if I go ahead and erase these and I clear my clipboard by right clicking the ground, I can go ahead and right click and press open, and it will load this to my fizz gun. So you can see how this chair right here connected to the bathtub and the watermelons are pasted. Some other options you can do with this is paste at original location. This, no matter where you look, it will paste it to where you originally built it. So this is good for making bases. If I have like a little hallway right here, it'll paste the hallway that I duplicated exactly where it was last time. A lot of people don't know about this feature, but I consider it pretty valuable, especially in base building. But that's a good thing to know about. There's a couple other options to play with, such as paste with constraints. Unchecking that will paste the objects without having them welded. So right now they're not connected at all, so if I were to go back and redupe it, it would not be connected to them. And that's useful for different situations. It kind of depends what you're planning on building, but you can paste stuff unfrozen, all this kind of stuff. And the other thing is the offsets right here. You can paste something higher than you originally had it at. Like, watch if I have these, this is the original bathtub right here. If I set this height offset to say 20, it's now higher than it used to be. And this is the only way to paste things higher than they originally were. Pitch offset, like you said, that's your roll forward. Usually it's your roll forward. Also go ahead and set that to 0. Your yaw is going to be, I believe, left and right. Yep, that's going to be left and right. So as you can see, it's slightly rolled left and right. And the roll is going to be your tip, like how far it rolls here. So you can play around with those. You can use world angles, which just kind of makes it universal for the world, not just the prop, but you guys can figure that out on your own. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this to a base per se. At the moment, these two are not welded or anything. If I try to copy them, it's not going to copy the whole thing. It's just going to copy. I got my settings off a little bit. If I were to try to copy it, it would just copy one of them. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go to the weld tool and then weld every prop of your base together. And then you're going to want to right click, and then it will paste both of them when you paste it down. Again, go to right click, save, test base, enter. And now you will see that I have this test base right here. So next time I log on, I can come over here, I can buy the doors, and then I can load this test base up, click paste at original location, and then you will have your base that you had last time you were on the server all ready for you. So that's going to be it for the advanced duplicator section. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope that I helped you guys get your bases up and going faster when you get back online.